Good morning, Professor Levy Grant, Zofia Grzegorzewska, week 5, checking in with Professor. It's February 8, 2020. Dear Professor, so far it's going well. I think I have outlined and defined child with special needs, spectrum of disabilities. I think we'll start with education. What is the major purpose of special education? Where its major idea is where it could be improved, and so far I have no problems. I don't see any problems. There's no questions. I am still going to meet with my Tom on Monday night. I'm just gonna go over final thoughts because she is very very determined to see the website and the real final product, and she's very supportive. And the last time she mentioned, I am supporting you 100%. So she is very supportive, and she would love to see actual website project in reality to be done. As me as well, I want to see this website to be done and to become reality. Will be a happiest person in life when it's gonna happen. Well, what else at this point? Still working. Few slides already done. Not for the presentation. So I guess that will be it for today. Thank you very much, Professor. You have a wonderful weekend. I think we're gonna see each other still next week. But anyway, thank you so much. If there will be questions, I will not hesitate to contact you. Thank you. Have a great weekend.